Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. I am Prabhat Majumdar. I would share Friday's stock market updates. On Friday, Nifty gained strength in the morning, but profit booking and volatility was seen in last couple of hours of trade and pulled the index in the lower band. Nifty opened higher at 15,186 and touched an intraday high of 15,243, but turned volatile in last couple of hours of trade to hit a day's low of 15,081. The index settled last trade at 15,163, which is down by 10 points. Thursday's low of 15,077 was protected and reversal was seen from the same level. The index formed a doji kind of pattern on the daily charts, while there was a small bullish candle formation on the weekly scale. A doji candle indicates there is some indecisiveness among the bulls and the bears, and bounces were being sold in the absence of follow-up buying interest. The index may be positioning itself for a next leg of move in either of the directions, which can be sharp based on the direction in which it breaks out. Nifty appeared to be on a consolidation mode as it signed off the week with a doji kind of indecisive formation, whereas on weekly charts a small bullish candle with a narrow range of 280 points was witnessed. Our experts observed that Nifty interestingly registered narrow ranges for last 5 trading sessions, out of which 4 proved to be indecisive formations. According to Goldstone Finvest experts, if the index manages a close above 15,250 levels, then initially it can expand the upswing towards 15,475 levels, whereas a close below 15,000 levels shall usher in a sharp corrective downswing with eventual targets placed towards 14,500 levels. Goldstone Finvest experts researched that market looks to remain neutral, and we recommend traders to wait for a breakout in either of the direction before initiating a trade. India VIX was down from 23 points to 22 points. Our experts researched and predicted that India VIX needs to cool down and hold below 21 levels for continuation in the ongoing momentum with higher market base. On option front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was at 15,500 followed by 16,000 strike. Put writing was seen at 14,500 and 15,100 strikes, while call writing was visible at 15,500 and 15,800 strike. Looking towards Bank Nifty, our experts at Goldstone researched that Bank Nifty opened flattish at 35,736 but gradually extended its positive move to hit a day's high of 36,322 due to buying interest in selective private banks. It relatively outperformed the benchmark index and managed to close above 36,000 mark at 36,108. It formed a bullish candle on daily scale, while there was a doji formation on weekly scale. FMCG, metals and pharma stocks weighed down, whereas banking and financials supported the index. It is recommended not to trade in this level unless either or breakout is observed, and for a daily trader we would recommend to strictly put an SL of 15,000 and strongly recommend not to take short positions at this position. As stated by Goldstone experts, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Nifty is trading at break or make levels. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular update, like, share, subscribe our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's bring fortune together.